If you wish to translate something from one language to another language using Gemini on your iPad, I show you. So first head it to the Gemini app and click the plus icon. We have different options here. If you have the source file as a document or something like that, you can choose files. If it is an image, you can choose gallery. So in case if you want to translate your live boardings or display, or you can see on the public places you want to translate something, in that case you need to click camera. So I show you using camera option. So just click camera and allow. Okay. For example, I want to translate this paragraph to English. I know it's Tamil, but if you don't know the language, it doesn't matter. You just capture the photo. So randomly you can capture the photo. We can crop it later. Just click the shutter button. That's it. Now just click the crop and we can crop as per your wish. Okay, click attach. So the photo added. Now just type the destination language. I mean the language you want to translate to. You don't need to type the source language. So for now I want to translate this to English. So type translate to English and search. It's done. Everything done. So this is a paragraph, translated paragraph, and it shows the key points. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about Gemini, you need to watch this playlist.